Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to add the developer tab in the main ribbon. Typically, the developer tab is found in between the view and the help tab, which is missing in this case. So to add the developer tab here, right click anywhere on the main ribbon, then click on customize the ribbon. So this will open the Excel options dialog box. From the main tabs list, you will find the developer tab. Select the developer and click OK. So this will add the developer tab in the main ribbon straight away. You can also go to File and click on Options. This will again bring back the Excel Options dialog box. Now go to Customize ribbon and we will again have the options to select the developer tab. As developer tab is already selected, I'm just clicking on OK to go back. So if you want to remove the developer tab out of the main ribbon, you have to follow the same process as before. So right click again on the main ribbon, go to customize the ribbon and just deselect the developer tab and hit OK. So the developer tab is removed from the main ribbon. So this is all for this video. See you guys again in the next video.